Hey guys, how's it going? Got another cool horn battle today. So we've got a Leslie S3L bronze tabby versus a Airchime J3 Snow Plow horn. So this horn is early 60s, maybe late 50s. It is a Canadian horn, sandcast bells. It's got a 1, 2, and a 3. And this is specifically a snowplow horn. So Airchime didn't make a whole lot of these. So they're pretty uncommon and a little bit pricey. Anyway, looking at the Leslie, this is a Leslie S3L bronze tabby. All three of these tabbies have been machined. This horn has a 2-piece 25 and a 2-piece 31 bell, welded bells. So anyway, these are all square bells also. It's got a square 31, so it's a 25, or a square 44. It's got a 25, a 31, and then a 44. So that's these horns is a pretty good head-to-head battle. So let me know in the comments below which one you like best or which one you think wins. So anyway, this is the Leslie Bronze Tabby S3L versus the Airchime J3 Snowplow horn.